What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So there is hope, and a lot of hope at that. So I don't think what I'm about to say is going to fill any confidence with the bears, but the inflation couldn't drop us. All of these macro events are being eaten alive by Bitcoin and crypto in large. Now, of course, nobody knows 100%, but I'm bullish. If this couldn't nuke us, the M2 money supply is looking to be trending up as well. And in addition to that, if you look at this, the Fed's balance sheets are shrinking, guys, right? This is absolutely incredible. And I do genuinely believe at some point they will pivot. But regardless, crypto seems to be doing well. And I genuinely believe this is one of the most important charts at the moment in terms of, if we look at the clarity here, if we get rid of all the noise, we can actually see exactly what's going on. All right. So have a look at this. Have a look at the total 3, right? So what we've done, let me just zoom out a little bit so you can see exactly what's going on here. Okay. So this is the total 3. This is the prior range. Very, very simple, guys. You don't have to be a scientist to know these things. It's very, very clear and it's right in front of us. Now, at some point, okay, we needed to retest this level. So let's put a trend line here from this point to that point, and look at this violent retest. It was absolutely speeded up. Now, initially, of course, this was the point of fear for everyone. But having a close look at this will show you that this retest here was very much a power play. Market plummets. And of course, you've got this whole entire move here. You still have resistance on this descending triangle here. So we really, in order to claim back some kind of some kind of certainty of this recovery, we would probably need to finish above, I'd probably say, this level here, right? Come over resistance, probably say maybe 950 to 960 billion to be absolutely confirming this move. But this has been the fastest retest I've ever seen to a prior range. And it's very, very clear, guys. So what I would say is between now and the end of the next few months, I think we could see a great alt season. Look at Kaspa's move here. Kaspa has done a 21% move. Tau has done 18. Of course, others, are slightly cooling off, like Mantra and Ondo, because they've been on a tear while this entire move has been taking place. Okay, so I'm very, very bullish. I think you should get allocated. You should DCA, or if not, do not sell your alts at a loss, because that would be absolutely stupid if you do that. Okay. Now that's very bullish. Now, if you look at the portfolio in general, I have spoken about the likes of Sonic, Kaspa, Tau, Sui, and they're up nicely over the week. And then if you look at, for example, the rest of Aerodrome is still very sluggish, granted. But if you look at the rest of the smaller caps, the degree of success as to where they are, some of them are incredibly concerning, like Alephium here, basedai, absolutely not done anything of significance, but others like Sturdy here moving at 44%. And in that case, I want to talk about the sector as well that I think, look at DEAI, 33%. Good to see that. Mintlayer 27% for the week. And of course, Eagle AI has always been very, very solid. But let's have a look at narratives, and let's have a look at a few projects that I think will do really, really well, and the reasons why I think Deepin has not moved at all. So I would say initially, let's have a look at Deepin. Deepin has not done much, but let me have a look at a layer 1 in Deepin that absolutely will challenge Solana in terms of the layer 1s that are available. It's just had the unlock starting in February. Okay, so this could be one on your list, one on your radar. Initially, the seed round was 7 cents, so there's still a bit more profit taking to be done, but keep your very close eyes on this play. In terms of AI projects, I absolutely think Reploy will explode, because the tech is quite, it's amazing. The team is also great. Of course, we've entered this very early. I think it's a great project. Okay, I think this, at the current market cap of just $25 million, $26 million, I think this could go 10x very, very quickly. It's already hit $14. So watch out for Reploy. Another one in the Tau subnet that I think should be in your watch list, very strong move here, is Neural AI. And of course, these are all Deepin projects I'm giving you because this sector has not run at all. $5.30 for Neural AI. Peak, we looked at, let's have a look at Ping Link. Now, Pin has had a great run already. We've already printed a lot of money with this. However, keep your eyes on this one because initially they had a lot of whales that got into this project. And of course, as a result, at some point they will take profit. That has meant that the price of the project came down massively. Not much strength at the moment as a micro cap, but you need to watch it. Others you need to look at if you're interested in, like, say, a large, slightly large cap. I think Flux is a real Deepin project that's been around since 2018. Now, the thing with Flux, I don't personally hold Flux, but if you look at $160 million market cap, Flux can offer you everything that a Microsoft Azure or Amazon Web Services can, fraction of the cost. And of course, recently they've been teaming up with NVIDIA. And as a result, the price has been impacted slightly. So Flux is another one in the Deepin sector that you can have a look. You can have a look at IONET. This sector hasn't run. Aether is another one. What I would suggest is this is a proof of work, right? So it's got miners and halving, all of the Bitcoin fundamentals. But all you've got to do is position yourself in terms of a Web3 project that's competing with Web2 mega giants to take on the likes of Amazon, Google, and Yahoo. Flux is a decent one to keep your eyes on, but it does have mining. So yeah, just be careful of that. What's happened with Grass? Let's have a look at IONET. Now, IONET and Aether is either or, in my opinion, in terms of the Deepin sector. So there's plenty of projects. I would recommend you still focus on blue chips. And if you're buying a low cap, buy low cap with solid fundamentals. But right now is the time to be allocated, guys. And I will bring you an in-depth. I'm actually going to publish a Deepin report in the group. So look out for that. But so far, so good, guys. We can't complain. And let's keep it moving because I believe this is going to be the biggest cycle there will ever be. Of course, I'll cover AI. I'll cover all our other projects as well. But the next narrative, I think, to move at some point will be Deepin. So, you know, you only need one or two projects in each niche, or even one project to give you an exposure to AI. Tau is considered to be AI Deepin, you know, so you never know. But I would honestly get allocated by quality. There is a bit of confirmation in the market, and I'm very, very bullish, guys. So, yeah, that's smash the like, and I'll catch you on the next one.